Cleaner water. These filters offer filtration that reduces sand, sediment, rust, and silt, 30 microns. Universal use. These universal whole-house sump-style filters work in most standard-capacity whole-house sump-style systems. 3-month filter life. Use these filters for up to 3 months each. Protect plumbing and appliances. These filters help protect dishwasher, clothes washer, water heater, and showers. Ideal for 2-bathroom homes. These filter cartridges fit into a system that is recommended for up to 4-person, 2-bathroom households. Basic filtration. 3-month filter. 50 microns. Universal filter replacement. These Filtrete standard capacity whole-house pleated filters will filter water used throughout the home, helping protect plumbing and appliances from sand, sediment, silt, and rust, 30 microns. Top reviews from the United States. This is exactly what I was looking for but had to be sure before ordering too many. So this order was to test if it fit my system. It is working perfectly and arrived within the time they said that I could expect it. I will definitely be ordering more.